It's 6:40 a.m. on Saturday morning. This clock's now been running for 24 hours and, let's have a look, 29 hours non-stop. It's the first time it's done this, the kind of running for this length of time in its case. It's been in and out of its case now probably a dozen times in the last 3 or 4 weeks. It ran perfectly on its table stand in the cloakroom, easily running for a day or so non-stop. To transfer it to the case, it refused to go, and it's taken me all that time and all these different removals to actually get it in position where it will continue to run. So it was 11 a.m. yesterday, and day before yesterday, sorry. And there we go, it's running nicely. I'm very pleased with it now. It's the first time I say it's running in the case, repeating myself. And I'm not going to touch it for a day or two now and just see what happens. So there you go, we've finally got a clock that runs in the case I finished over 3 or 4 years ago.